Hey everybody, Felix Stoffelbaker here. I just wanted to do a quick video about the leading tech hedge fund managers and venture capitalists that are invested into EOS. A lot of people may not know some of these names. So we've got Peter Thiel, we've got Jihan Wu from Bitmain, we've got Christian Angermeyer from Aperian Investments Limited, there's Lansdowne Investment Company Limited, FinLab AG, Michael Cow of EOS Global, and Winnie Liu of EOS Global, Eric Schmidt of Tomorrow Blockchain Opportunities, Mike Novogratz from Galaxy Digital, Louis Bacon, Alan Howard, Fred Wilson from Union Square Ventures, Andreessen Horowitz and Chris Dixon from Multichain Capital, Hugh Cochran and Shane Kehoe from SVK Crypto. And these are the people that were just, able to find out about. There's many other major players involved with this, as high up as I believe to be, the Amazons and the Apples. This is the reiteration and codifying of the tech boom. And these venture capitalists and leading tech hedge fund managers, they're not doing things for any other reason other than it's the future, and they're in it for the money as well as a sure bet. These people don't just sit around and throw money at nothing. And I think that the fact that all these people are involved in such an early stage leads me to believe that they're onto something that the general population isn't, and that tells me that I need to be on that. And I think that this is an opportunity to actually get out of the rat race, to be able to set aside these jobs that we've had for however long, and as long as you have the knowledge and the capital to be able to put into these types of investments, if you've done your own research and find out on your own that you're going to do that, then that's definitely something you need to be taking seriously at a time like this, when we see everything transpiring at the same time, as far as geopolitics, the global economy as well as individual economies are crumbling all around. Currencies are becoming comparable to Satoshis. There's multiple currencies that their one unit is worth as much or less than the smallest unit of a Bitcoin. So we're really seeing Bitcoin start to compete on a global scale, and it's never been around during a financial crisis to be able to be that safe haven that gold has always been, or land, or just hard assets that will store your value of your wealth over the period of time. So I think that people need to take a look at these people and what they're investing in. And a lot of these people are on the same level as a Buffett, as a Warren Buffett and as a Bill Gates, as far as being able to invest in early opportunities, and also with the size investments in those opportunities, to be able to create multi-generational wealth that the general population is gamed not to be able to achieve. But this is one way that we will be able to get as close as we possibly can, and I believe attain financial freedom and be able to live the life that you see fit, and not based off of banks and governments swindling away your hard-earned money and using that to fund ridiculous things that could be helping you fund more of your freedom and more of what you want to do in your life. And I just think that this is a great opportunity. So take a look at it. EOS is going to be a major player, and it's going to be changing the landscape for, I believe, investments in general, just how we look at things. Everything is going to be a digital asset. Even things in the real world like housing and like land and like your vehicles, those are in the real world, but those are going to be tokenized. You're going to be able to verify, buy, sell, trade, and just have so much more information on all vehicles at all times and all the stuff that's happening. I mean, blockchain is going to absolutely tear down an old system and rebuild a new, to where the old system won't even be recognizable. So take a look at some of these investments that these major players are getting into, and you might be able to see what they're seeing, and at least it's worth your time to take a look. All right, Stoffel Baker out.